How to fix "Sorry, you have been blocked" error from any website. Now, if you've ever tried to access a website on your mobile device and got the "Sorry, you have been blocked" error, we know how frustrating it can be. Don't worry though, today we're going to show you how to fix this problem and get back to browsing. So let's dive right in. Now, so here's the error we're talking about. "Sorry, you have been blocked." This can happen for a few reasons, but don't worry, it's usually fixable. Let's get started with the first solution. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause issues and block access to website. So let's clear it out. For Chrome, tap the three dots and simply click on Settings. Then go to Privacy, and from here simply click on Delete browsing data. Make sure to select both cookies, site data, and cached image and files as well. After that, click on Done and try accessing the website again. Next step is to disable your VPN if you're using one. VPN can sometimes cause websites to block your access because they change your location and IP address. Go to your phone settings and on the cellular, down to cellular, you can find a VPN. If you have installed VPN in your phone, simply turn that off and try visiting the website again. Next step is to check your network connection. Sometimes a poor or unstable connection can trigger this error. Lastly, try using incognito mode or private mode if there's something blocking you in your regular browsing session. Switching to private browsing mode might bypass the error. And that's it. If you followed all these steps, you should be able to fix the "Sorry, you have been blocked" error and start browsing the website you were trying to access.